Hey guys, Saving with Shay, and I am here for a really quick video. Like, I literally came here for one thing and was like, I feel like whenever I'm going to Walmart for anything and I needed some bar stools, I was like, I have to find other things that I can do while I'm here. And I saw this deal on the ice cream and I was like, okay, who doesn't love ice cream? And it's hot as heck. It's like 92 degrees right now, y'all. So I figured it was an awesome deal. Plus, I don't think it's gonna last that long. And so I put together a few other things I can grab today as well. Great thing about this, you guys, is no coupons whatsoever. It's 100% digital using the apps. We'll be using Swagbucks, Ibotta, and Checkout 51. So if you're not using those apps, of course, my links will be in the description box. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing the lovely face, I am Chanel. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button. Support your girl. And don't forget to make sure post notifications are on as well. So without further ado, let's head in the store and see what kind of deals we can grab. Well, we already know what kind of deals we're going to grab. Some sweet deals, like literally. So keep on watching. All right, of course, this first deal is on the ice cream. I had to do this deal. And honestly, guys, I was going to get two. Because if you get two, it's like a almost $2 money maker. I want to say it's like a $1.93 money maker. But if you grab 4 of them, it still makes them super duper cheap. Like 33 cents for each one if you grab 4, which I'm probably just gonna do. But I realized that they have this one here, the chocolate chip one, which is for $4.72. But I'm gonna give you the deal if you grab the ones at $5.38. All right, so if you just want to grab 2 of them priced at $5.38, then you would end up paying $10.76 out of pocket. You'll get back $1.25 for each on Checkout 51, and there's also $2 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da. And then last but not least, we got a BOGO offer on Ibotta for $5.19. And then we also have a separate offer for $1.50 with a limit of 5. So you get back $3 for that offer. So to make both of them free plus $1.93 moneymaker. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just grab 4 of them. I'll end up paying $21.52 out of pocket. But I'll get back $5 on Checkout 51. I'll get back $4 on Swagbucks, and then I'll get back $5.19 from Ibotta for the first offer, and then $6 for the second offer. So all 4 will end up being $1.33 or 33 cents each, which is not bad. All right, and of course I'm grabbing this deal again. Now I realize that I actually have the offer still on my Checkout 51 account. I don't have it on Joseph's anymore, but it is on mine's. And so, I mean, I was just going to do this deal anyways, to be honest, but that'll make it a moneymaker with Checkout 51. So I'm going to grab a total of 4 of these. They're priced at $2.08. It's on the Coca-Cola Ultimates. And so we're going to grab 4 of them. The total is going to be $8.32. I'll get back $7 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da. And then $2.08 on Checkout 51. So it'll make all 4 free plus a 76-cent moneymaker. Grab another box of the Kraft mac and cheese priced at $1. Now on Ibotta, I have a bonus for the 5th box, and this will be the 5th box. Getting back that $1 plus 30 cents for the offer will make this a 30-cent moneymaker. This is no surprise, right, that we're doing this deal again. It's on the Keebler. Select ones are on rollback for $2.48. I'm going to go ahead and just max this deal out and grab a total of 4 of them. The total for all 4 is going to come to $9.92, and then we're going to get back $6 on Swagbucks, and then we'll also get back $2.48 on Checkout 51. I'm making them only 36 cents per pack, but after everything is said and done for this haul, you guys, this little mini haul, it'll still be free. All right, and this is not a surprise either. We're grabbing this deal again because, y'all, you already know, this is making me almost $3 to buy 2 of them, so why not? So the top one is priced at, I want to say where is it at? $2.94. The second one is $3.13. You're getting back 1,100 kicks on Shopkick for each one, which is equivalent to $4.40. So it makes the bottom one a $1.27 moneymaker. And the top one is a $1.46 moneymaker. So again, we're making almost $3 to grab both of these. So I figured why not add it to the list of junk food. So, yeah. All right, guys. So here is my little bitty snack of a haul. I know it's super small, but it's okay because you could eat everything here, which is awesome. And I love getting food. and I love getting it for free. So I can't complain with this small little haul. Really wanted just the ice cream, but just went ahead and grabbed the other things as well. I thought about doing the Coke across the board, but I just did it one time. All right, so everything worked out good. Now, one correction with the Kraft mac and cheese. I misunderstood or misread that bonus is buy 10 boxes and you get a $1 bonus. So that was, yeah, that ended up being a net cost of 70 cents on that. Other than that, everything worked out. Like, I submitted the Coke, the cookies, and the ice cream on Swagbucks. Went straight through for all 3 items. It went through on Checkout 51 already. And it actually went through on Shopkick as well for the candy, which is cool. Because I low-key was not really trying to put a ticket in. So our retail for everything you see here is $46.83. Of course, again, no coupons. I walk away with $11.49 from Ibotta. $17 from Swagbucks. $9.56 from Checkout 51. And $8.80 from Shopkick. So we walk away with $46.85 in rebates, making this a net cost of a 2-cent moneymaker. It's not the hugest moneymaker, but it's free. And I could have just got 2 of the ice creams, but I thought it was such a great deal. And they're normally like, what, $5.40, and we got them for 33 cents each, which is still an awesome deal on that. So I had to grab 4 of those. Other than that, you guys, in the comments, let me see some snack emojis, just because your girl's getting her snacks on. So in the comments, I want to see snack emojis. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.